Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and to do it simply press the crown button. After you wake up the screen you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like this. Once you find it, tap on the alarm icon to open the alarm menu, and here we can set up or set our alarm clock by tapping on the Add Alarm button. Once you see the Set Time option, basically here we can set the hour on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on the hours, then on minutes. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. Here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. If you select none of them, it will go off only once and won't repeat. But if you select, for example, Monday, it will go off every Monday. Or you can select multiple days if you want to. Okay, and once you select the days, tap on OK. And here we have our alarm. You can turn it on or off. You can edit it by tapping on the alarm. You can change the time, repeat option, and you can also make a label for it. You can tap on it, tap on here, and change the label if you want to. Like that. And once you go back, you will see the label right here. You can have multiple alarms set up if you want to. Like this. And you can also remove them by tapping on one, tapping on delete, tapping on the check mark to confirm. Like this. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.